Joining Chicken Gun Servers Part Noka. So Noka is just a shapeshifter that acts like a normal chicken but really isn't. She can also become as your friend and lure you into somewhere and probably ban you or hack your account. Hunt down we're gonna hunt down a ghost, but I don't know what kind of ghost it is. So yeah, guys, so let's just make a server. So it has to be only one. Where I meant the code name, I meant server name should be like C666. It should be like this. Okay guys, so I joined in. Only one. Yeah, I think there can only be one person. There we go, so we cannot see anything. So this thing is supposed to ring once it's but first let's spawn in this. And then we have to bow at him for 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Warning, there is a dangerous hacker
Yo, what the?
Leave the server immediately or you will be banned in 5 minutes.
Nah,
Do
bro,
not
what the
live
freak?
single
It's
player
alarming, bro.
mode. Just leave chicken
Nah,
and
dude.
then join me
Nah.
after the hacker
Dude, I
is
didn't have to go, bro.
removed. I can
Oh, now.
always
Yeah,